Good morning, students. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. In the previous class, I discussed the different types of mountains with you. In this class, I will discuss the other features like valleys and plateaus. Valley. A valley is a low-lying V-shaped or U-shaped area lying between mountains. It is formed by rivers, glaciers, or earth movements. For example, V-shaped valley or U-shaped valley. Rift Valley. Rift Valley is a lowland region formed by the interaction of Earth's tectonic plates. Rift Valley are usually narrow, deep with steep slopes and a flat floor. The sides of the Rift Valley drop steeply away in the form of steps and terraces. They can be found on the continents and on the ocean beds. Many rift valleys have volcanic cones on their floors or contain deep lakes. Rhine, Narmada, and Nile are the example of famous valleys in the world. Formation of Rift Valley. Let us understand the formation of Rift Valley with the help of this video.
An immense gash in the Earth's crust, born of elemental violence. A primordial world of spectacular volcanoes, barren wastelands, and vast bottomless lakes. The Great Rift Valley of East Africa. 3,500 miles long, slicing south from Ethiopia to Mozambique. 35 million years old and still growing. It sparked an explosion of life of every kind. Not to mention being the birthplace of humanity. The rift is the common thread connecting all these things. To see how a geological event has made this possible, we have to go back in time. 35 million years ago, deep below what is now Ethiopia. "2,000 miles down, close to the molten core of the Earth, extreme heat and pressure forced a bubble of liquid rock up toward the surface, where it swelled against the Earth's crust like a blister. But a blister 1,000 miles wide. It tore the landscape apart. This is what remains of that ancient upheaval. A volcanic wasteland in northeast Africa that overlaps Ethiopia, Eritrea, and Djibouti. The Danakil Depression. Here, the Earth's crust has been so stretched and mangled by the rifting process that the whole landscape has sunk like a souffle. In places, down to 500 feet below sea level.
Plateaus. Plateau is an area of flat land that is higher than the land surrounding it. Its sides are steep and it is also referred to as a tableland. Plateaus have been formed by diastrophism, which means that large-scale movements of the Earth's crust resulted in the formation of features like continents, mountains, and plateaus. Types of plateaus. There are 4 types of plateaus: intermontane plateaus, volcanic plateaus, Piedmont plateaus, dissected plateaus. Intermontane plateaus. These plateaus are the highest, largest, and surrounded by mountains from all sides. For example, the Tibetan Plateau, Bolivian Plateau. Volcanic plateaus. These are formed by the solidification of the lava sheets after volcanic eruptions. For example, the Plateau of Columbia and the Deccan Plateau. Piedmont Plateaus. These are formed at the foothills of large mountains. For example, Malwa Plateau and Patagonia Plateau. Dissected plateaus. They have been dissected or cut up by rivers or wind. For example, the Brazilian highlands and East African plateau. Importance of plateaus. Plateaus, which are formed by lava deposits, are rich in black soil, which is very fertile and promotes agriculture. For example, cotton. Waterfalls are also created when river falls from the edges of the plateau. For example, Jog Falls in Karnataka. Plateaus are ideal for generation for hydroelectricity. Plateaus are rich sources of mineral deposits and ore. The Chota Nagpur Plateau of India is rich in iron, coal, mica, bauxite, etc. So, today we learned about the meaning, features, and importance of plateaus and Rift Valley. Thank you and have a nice day.